Hello everyone. So today I will be discussing about auto exposure in Unreal Engine 5. Sometime what happens is you turn off your auto exposure from project setting here, and you can see all scene came out to the white, solid white. Uh, uh, Let me check this auto exposure. Now you can see I have turned off my auto exposure. If I turn on this auto exposure, as you can see, the uh, uh, light is visible to us. But after turning off this, it is not visible. Even it came out with the uh, solid white material like this, and it is visible in unlit. So how can you fix this? So the thing is, in your scene, you can check that you might be having this uh, sun and sky. If you turn this down off, or you can delete, you can see the light is completely working. So this is how you can fix your issue of or exposure in Unreal Engine. And please subscribe our channel and support us. Thanks for watching.